I don't know what is this class about. Few Nexus sounds hard and confusing. Should I be taking this class on my first semester?
Hello everyone, welcome to Few Nexus. Today we are taking a trip to explore what is the real meaning of the Nexus and how we can see things differently to make a real change and make an impact on the planet and the people around us. If we learn to see things different, we can face the problems and work to the development of real solutions.
This class is actually really interesting. I hope to learn a lot this semester.
You are right, Laura, this class is really interesting. We don't have tests or papers, but you have to explore your creativity and do creative assignments. For your first assignment, you have to do a relational summary introducing yourself and exploring how you can use the Nexus in your life.
How to use the Nexus in my life? When is the assignment due?
Great question. This class does not have due dates. Use your time wisely and turn it in when you think it is ready.
I finally have an idea of what to do for Module 1 creative assignment. What are you doing? Let me show you. My name is Laura Gonzales Ospina and I am from Medellin, Colombia. On my first class in the Few Nexus course, I learned a lot of things. One was that the question behind how Nexus work is how to keep the ball moving in all directions without using too much water and losing other aspects. To achieve this is necessary to learn how to see the problem, which means that we need to find the best angle to see and organize based on perspective and then working with all perspectives to solve a problem. We only succeed on doing this by understanding the flow of the water and the energy. It is key to understand that there are hidden costs to any benefit, and the Nexus thinking perspective helps to find any hidden parameters. To be an expert in the Few Nexus, you need to be like a symphony director. We need to be like a conductor, says Dr. Culhane. We need to direct all the aspects of the Nexus to not only understand how things work but to keep moving forward in humanity. Also, I learned that there are big differences between recycling and downcycling, and those introduce us to the cradle-to-grave and cradle-to-cradle points of view. All these terms and points of view got me thinking about the process of coffee and how there is so much organic waste at the end of it, and not many options on what you can do with it, or at least not in Colombia, where my family has a coffee brand and coffee plantation, and the pulp waste is a real problem. At the end of the class, I was introduced to the ultimate Nexus technology, biodigesters. Dr. Culhane explains how the human gut mechanisms are related to the success of this technology. All this information about this magnificent technology, that it is sustainability itself, got my back to water I mentioned before and thought, what if we used the pulp to produce gas to run the coffee dryers? After talking about this amazing technology and how it was used in different parts of the world, including some industries in Kenya, we talked about closing the loop and how Nexus will provide a better approach to sustainability issues and will lead to a solution that can be reached by almost everyone. I think it looks great. Do not wait any longer and submit it now. Okay, thank you. I am going to submit it now and I hope to make a good grade.